Okay, Bruins, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to see the upcoming homework assignment. And so if you go to our actual materials page, like I am right now, you should be able to see an entry that's on the right-hand side called Today in English 12, but you could also click on today's date. And so if you see this one right here that says Today in English 12, this will show you like the blog entry. And if you notice, I need you to click on view item. So for right now, all you could be able to see is the basic items, but you have to click on view item and then it will show you all of my links and it'll change what it looks like. So if you're looking at the calendar and it doesn't quite look the same, if you notice, I listed everything that we kind of worked on for today, and then I've given you extensive directions. The video that you need to finish watching is here. This is also the master list for the blog. So if I click on it, you'll be able to see that it lists the first entry as well as the second entry. And I've even given you some titles because I know a few people, they've been struggling. Oh, this one is actually incorrect. So I'm going to change that right now. I don't know why that one's wrong, but that's okay. So I went ahead and fixed that right now. And then I needed to correct the today's date as well. So I don't know what was going on in my mind when I set this up, but it's correct now. So this is a list of the blog posts, and this is where you'll be able to see what we're blogging about and then what tag that you need to do. And then I'm also going to start listing some titles because people seem to have a little struggle with that. Obviously, you're more welcome to create your own titles and things as we discussed, but I'm also going to start listing what your posts and things are here. And so that's what we have. So I'm going to go back to our screen and then I'm just going to walk through one more time. I'm going to go back to our materials page and then we're going to click on the Schoology calendar right here. And we're going to go to today's date, and it says today in English 12, and we're going to click on this. But we need to click on view item, not just reading this here, because then you wouldn't be able to see my actual video and the attachment for the blog entry. So you see how it says see attached link below? Well, you actually have to click on view item. So there you have it. Everything you need in order to get the homework done. If you were absent for class, this is also what you would need for today. So I hope this was helpful, and that's all I have. Peace, love, and happiness. All right, Bruins.